You can ask generic questions of ChatGPT and get some pretty good answers, and I think it is good. It's particularly good at sort of brainstorming issues and a quick route to direct you to where you do need to do the research. And I think that there will ultimately never be any substitute for not looking up the resources, not looking up the statutes and the legislation and the case law, because I have used it and noted that it had made mistakes, and legislation that it was referring to was wrong, and the case law was, the cases were on topic. They weren't precisely on the point. That wasn't the main point about the case, and it was making something subtly, judging the case in a judgment was making a point that was subtly different. And I think it's got its uses, but there is a certain amount of that you've got to be careful. Yeah. User beware, I would say. If you're using it for lawyers in particular, need to be really, really careful.